Very good morning, all of my dear students. How are you? You all are fine. Wow, thank you. Very good. Grand welcome to Odeon Learning. I'm Dr. Ajit Kumar Rana, Youth Science faculty. My dear students, who is absent? Oh, Dinesh is absent. Regularly is coming very fast. Before 5 minutes is always inside the classroom. सबसे पहले आता है ना बेटा. तो आज देर क्यों? Somebody is knocking. Oh, Dinesh is coming. Just now. Dinesh, good morning. Very good morning. Very good morning, beta. Take your seat fast. Good, good, good. How are you, Dinesh? Fine, good. Why you were late today? Always you are coming fast into our Odeon Learning classes, but today you are late. What is your problem? Okay. Oh, baap re baap. You helped your parents at home regularly or today only? Oh, regularly you have been helping your parents. हर रोज पप्पा मामा को हेल्प करता है घर के काम पे. Very good, very good. Except Dinesh, any other students, those who are helping your parents? Oh, Lisa is also good. Bivu, bah. Deepankar, excellent. Naveen, wow, very good, very good, very good. Give a big clap for all of you because you have been performing a nice job. बहुत ही सुंदर काम. पप्पा मम्मा को घर में काम पे हेल्प करना, it is our important and foremost duty. Good. तो one question, my dear, what type of help you are doing your parents? दिनेश आप बताओ कौन सा काम किया है आज घर में? बताइए, जोर से बोलो, जोर से बोलो, जिस कारण यू आर लेट टुडे. ओके. ओ, कुत्ता को खाना खिलाया था. वो खाना खिलाते खिलाते कुत्ता को देर हो गया. कुत्ता है घर में? क्या है उसका नाम? ओ, टॉमी. वाह, वेरी गुड. और दूसरा काम क्या है? कुत्ता को खाना खिलाया. और ओ, सुबह इनसाइड द गार्डन पेड़ में पानी दिया. ओह, वेरी गुड. गार्डनिंग किया है. वाटरिंग द प्लांट्स इन द गार्डन ना. ओह, वेरी गुड. दैट इज एन एक्सलेंट थिंग. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. देन खुद खाए कि नहीं खाना? खुद भी खाना खा के आई हो तो बस. वेरी गुड. दिनेश हैज डन नाइस थिंग टुडे. टेक योर सीट दिनेश. गुड. वन थिंग, ही वाटर्ड द प्लांट्स टुडे मॉर्निंग इन हिज गार्डन. बगीचा है ना घर में. हाँ, बगीचा में जितना सारा पेड़ है, फूल फल, कितना सारा पेड़ है. पानी की ज़रूरत होता है बेटा. तो पानी नहीं हो तो कुछ नहीं है. वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड. देन कुत्ता को भी खाना खिलाया. वाह, वेरी गुड. खुद भी खाना खा के आई. अरे वाह. तो दिनेश कुत्ता को क्या खिलाया? ओ, हड्डियाँ, मटन. इसके साथ चावल. वाह, वेरी गुड. और पेड़ को क्या खिलाया? पानी. ओ, तोता को भी खिलाया. बाप रे बाप. मीटू, मीटू, पैरोट. ओ, वो भी घर में है. वाह, वेरी गुड. तोता को क्या खिलाया? ग्रीन पीस. एक्सलेंट. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. इतना सारा काम. तो माई क्वेश्चन इज, खुद खाना खाई, तोता को खिलाया, कुत्ता को खिलाया, टमी, और वाटर द प्लांट्स, पेड़ को भी पानी पिलाया. Very good. All are excellent and good habits that you have been performing at your home. It is my sincere request to all the students, घर पे पढ़ाई के अलावा whenever you are finding certain time periods with you, always try to help your parents because parents are the living God for us. Do you know? Parents are the living God for us. Matrudevo bhavah, pitrudevo bhavah. It is written in Veda. I am not telling, my dear. Very good. Okay. But one question, my dear. कुत्ता को क्यों मटन नहीं खिलाया? ओ, तो कुत्ता को तो क्यों मटन खिलाया? हड्डी क्यों खिलाया? वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. गुड आंसर. आप बताओ अंकिता. द सेम आंसर. वेरी गुड. Here, my dear, we have already discussed about in this living world ये सारा जितना सारा इतना सारा लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स है सारा विश्व में, इन द होल वर्ल्ड, यू कैन इमेजिन. साइंटिस्ट Carolus Linnaeus explained in biology that is there, my dear students, in entire world you can find till date 1.6 to 1.7 million species are there. Such a great amount, such a big amount, such a vast amount. इतना सारा जीव पूछो मत. ये घर में तो दो दो तोता है और कुत्ता भी है. देखो कई सारी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स, प्लांट्स आर आल्सो देयर. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, those who have life, they are called as living. Plants have life, they are also called as living because they have performed that nature by means of which plants prove that is a living organism. They are growing, they are performing their all the functions inside them. They are also produce as oxygen. They are also intake carbon dioxide. छोटा छोटा एक small plant become a big plant. They are growing, they are developing. All the characteristics जितना सारा प्रकृति नेचर होना चाहिए एक प्लांट के अंदर, जो जीव होता है, लिविंग होता है ना, वो सब कुछ प्लांट के अंदर है. सो दैट्स व्हाई यू कैन से दैट plant that also giving us fruits, plant also giving us what? Vegetables. So many important things that plants has been providing to everybody in this whole world. So my dear student, as plant is a living organism, tota parrot is also a living organism, dog is also a living organism, and apart from everything we are also living organism. Like all the students, myself, all the human beings, we all are also called as the living what? Living body, living organisms. So my dear student, we all are living, but in case of nutritional system, we never will discuss about the nutrition, how one living organism can develop from a small organism to a big organism, can perform all the activities inside that specific organism, can able to get energy, can perform their development, their growth, and all the activities that needs by the specific living organisms. That is different from different living organisms. This is differ. Why I am asking? Because it is differ only by means of their system provided for their nourishment, and that is called as, my dear students, nutrition. Unless until there is no nutritional activities performed by the living organisms, that living organisms can't get energy, can't grow, can't develop, can sustain, also can protect themselves from different diseases. So that, my dear students, nourishment or nutrition plays a vital role for all living organisms. My dear students, in our audio learning classes, as because you are belongs to standard 7 in science, basically we have already discussed about the chapter 1, that is nutrition in plant, in our last class. But my dear students, today we are here to discuss about the nutrition in animals. Okay, the nutrition in animals. This is your chapter 2 of NCERT science book. My dear student, one question may ask you. One day we have discussed about the nutrition in plant. Today we are discussing here for the nutrition in animals. Why not one day? Yes, just before some minutes, as I've asked you, we are different form, different structure, different body cells, as well as different activities performed, different structural activities performed, different organ systems performed, Accordingly, the nutritional system, the nutrition process is different for different organisms. Basically, on that day, we have discussed about the nutrition in plants. Today, we'll discuss specifically the nutrition in animal. My dear students, before entering into details of this chapter, I am giving you one challenge, my dear students. Do you know our Orion Learning has been providing excellently all the lessons related to your formal subjects according to National Education Policy related to the new educational policy system. The whole nation has been following that system, and we at our Orion Learning, we have been providing all the study materials, all the notes, all the explanations and everything based on new education policy. My dear students, in your classroom you can note down all the poems, you can go for all the picturizations, you can go for all the question answers so nicely that we have been providing by our Orion Learning educational system. And it is a challenge from my side. I am Dr. Ajit Kumar Rana, your science faculty. I am challenging you, those students, be particular, be concentrate, be attentive in the classroom, accept all this material so nicely and read it carefully, practice it carefully. And it is sure, my dear students, you must have to secure minimum 95% in each and every subject, in each and every examination. It is a challenge from my side. And if you will be thorough with all these things, 100% is nothing, my dear. This is a very simple factor that we have been providing by our Orion Learning. So, my dear students, today we'll go for this chapter, that is chapter number 2 in your Standard 7 Science NCERT book, named as Nutrition in Animals. Nutrition in Animals. Before entering into this chapter, my dear students, there are two important words are there. What are these? That we'll discuss. One is your nutrition, another is animals. Okay, so nutrition and animals, they both are co-related. Here, basically for this chapter number 2. First of all, we'll discuss about the nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition is nothing. We have already studied in our last class in chapter 1 when we have studied about the nutrition in plants. जब पेड़ के nutrition के बारे में discussion हुआ था in the last class, I have already explained. अच्छा तरह से मैंने बता चुका हूँ किस ढंग से प्लांट के अंदर, ये पेड़ के अंदर nutritional system is going in. Nutrition is nothing, is a procedure. ये एक पर्याय क्रम कार्यक्रम होता है बेटा. Where? In the living organisms. तो फॉर व्हाट पर्पसेस, कारण क्या, क्यों होता है? यही होता है क्योंकि जितना सारा फूड आइटम्स है, ये फूड आइटम को हम अंदर लेना, वी इनटेक द फूड मटेरियल्स, देन इट विल कन्वर्टेड एंड इट इज डाइवर्सिफाइड इनटू सिंपल कंपोनेंट्स. टुकड़ा 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 बना के इतना छोटा हो जाता है दैट विल फॉर्म ए स्पेशल केमिकल small nutrients, chemical substances. They are called as the nutrients, and those nutrients are helps for what? To get energy, become strong and stout. We can run, we can dance, we can jump, and everything we can do. We can sit in the classroom so actively. I can teach you inside the classroom so actively. For that also we need energy. And apart from energy, it also helps for the development. छोटा सा बड़ा, नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे इतना छोटा था, जब धीरे 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 बड़ा हो जाता है ना, कितना बड़ा. यू जस्ट सी, आई वाज देयर स्मॉल किड. मम्मी के गोद में मैं भी छोटा था ना, अभी देखो कितना बड़ा हो गया, मोटा ऊंचा सब कुछ हो गया. हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल? बाय द मीन्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन. छोटा सा प्लांट इतना बड़ा पेड़ बन जाता है. क्यों बेटा? बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन. एनर्जी, वी आर गेटिंग एनर्जी, वी आर डेवलपिंग, growth is there, as well as the maintenance processes, free from diseases. निरोग, ये सब डिपेंड करता है न्यूट्रिशन के ऊपर. सो लास्ट टाइम वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द न्यूट्रिशन प्लांट. पेड़ में कैसे होता है न्यूट्रिशन? वो कैसे खाना खाता है, फिर खाना जाके न्यूट्रिएंट्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, स्मॉल स्मॉल केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस, एंड हाउ दैट केमिकल सब्सटेंस यूटिलाइज, व्हाट आर द केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस, व्हाट आर द न्यूट्रिएंट्स, हाउ इट इज यूटिलाइज्ड इन द बॉडी, everything we have discussed for the plants. But today, my dear students, everything we'll discuss for the animals. We are also coming under animals. Human being is also, we are also called as the animals. We are coming under the animals group. Yes or no? Right. So today we'll discuss about so many things, and it is my sincere request to all my dear students, please be attentive inside the classroom. Read all the notes carefully, write all the notes carefully, and apart from that, one thing I have already told you, I may be a science faculty, Dr. Ajit Kumar Rana, but apart from that, I am one of your best friend. Always you please ask me any questions, any doubt, I am there to give you the correct answer. But I need my students should be perfect. आपको सही सलामत अच्छा होना चाहिए, अच्छा पढ़ाई करना चाहिए, अच्छा नंबर लाना चाहिए, मम्मी खुश, पापा खुश, टीचर खुश, हम भी खुश, or it will help you to become an ideal citizen in your future. My dear students, let's discuss the animals get their food from where? From plants, either directly by eating plants or indirectly by eating animals that eat plants. Some animals eat both plants and animals. Some animals also eat both plants and animals. Then animal nutrition includes nutrient requirement, mode of intake of food, and its utilization in the body. It's most important characteristics. थोड़ी देर पहले दिनेश ने बोला सर आज लेट, कारण क्या? कुत्ता को खिलाए थे, तोता को खिलाया, पेट पे पानी दिया, watering the plants, so many things he has done. So that is the process by means of which Dinesh has given food to his dog, food to his parrot, like this. Why? But why कुत्ता को क्यों वो जो हड्डियाँ दिया, मटन का हड्डियाँ, तोता को तो हड्डियाँ नहीं दिया, तोता क्यों हड्डियाँ नहीं खाती मटन का? ये होता है ना बात। तो बात क्या होता है बेटा? ये एनिमल न्यूट्रिशन इंक्लूड्स न्यूट्रिएंट रिक्वायरमेंट। कुत्ता को क्या जरूरत है, कौन सा न्यूट्रिएंट, कुत्ता को कौन सा न्यूट्रिएंट जरूरत है, आम आदमी को कौन सा न्यूट्रिएंट का जरूरत होता है बेटा, और मोड ऑफ इनटेक फूड, किस ढंग से हम अंदर खाना लेते हैं बेटा, ये होता है सबसे जरूरी। तोता देखो कैसे खाना खाता है, कुत्ता देखो कैसे खाना खाता है, पेट को कैसे खाना मिलता है, वो कैसे खाना पकाते, हम आदमी लोग कैसे खाना पकाते, ये सब कुछ जो डिफरेंट टू डिफरेंट जितना सारा लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स है ना, ये सब अलग अलग होता है। ये अलग होने से कारण, ये अलग होने का जो वजह है ना, वही वजह के लिए ये जो सिस्टम होता है न्यूट्रिशन का, ये अलग अलग तरीके से होता है। लेकिन माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, द न्यूट्रिशन प्रोसेस में जो निकलता है केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस, दे आर इक्वल। व्हाट आर दीज? आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, प्लीज टेल मी। अंकिता बताओ। वेरी गुड, माक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स। आप दिनेश बताओ, माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स। दीपंकर बताओ क्या? नॉन न्यूट्रिटिव एलिमेंट्स। वेरी गुड, that means you all remember it, that means you have been practicing. Very good, my students are excellent, Odeon learning students are excellent. Very good, keep it up. Chale, this is called as the different procedures nutritions followed by different animals. So my dear students, what is nutrition? I have already told you, it is the process of taking in food, अंदर खाना लेना, फिर and converting it into energy, उसको बदलना चाहिए। ये जो खाना बाहर से हम खाता है ना बेटा, वो क्या होता है बेटा, अंदर जाने से पहले इट विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू एनर्जी। एनर्जी मिलता है ना, एंड अदर वाइटल न्यूट्रिएंट्स, एनर्जी मिलता है, डिफरेंट इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूट्रिएंट्स। एनिमल्स गेट देयर फूड फ्रॉम प्लांट्स। कहाँ से हम खाना खाते, खाना लाते? प्लांट्स। Either directly by eating plants or indirectly by eating animals. Just I am giving an example. Deer. Deer are also animals. They are eating different plants. Yes or no? Directly they are eating certain plants. Tiger in the jungle. Tiger को भी भूखा, वो भी उनको भी खाना चाहिए, तो व्हाट द टाइगर इज डूइंग, टाइगर इज अटैकिंग, तो डियर को आता है, डियर को खा जाता है, यू सी। बट टाइगर इज नॉट ईटिंग ग्रास, टाइगर डायरेक्टली प्लांट नहीं खाता है बेटा, लेकिन वो डियर को खाता है, जो डियर इनडायरेक्टली प्लांट को खाता है। तो तब जाके देखो A is equal to V, V is equal to C, then A is equal to C in mathematical calculations like this। जब डियर वो क्या खाया, प्लांट, तो डियर को कौन खाया, टाइगर। तो इनडायरेक्टली टाइगर ने क्या किया, प्लांट को भी खाया और एनिमल को भी खाया। इनडायरेक्टली प्लांट को खाया, डायरेक्टली एनिमल को खाया। Yes or no? This is the system. It is written here. Some animals is both plants and animals. There are certain animals are there, living organisms are there. They are eating plants and animals. Like Dinesh. Dinesh has taken today mutton. Yes or no, Dinesh? Oh, mutton के साथ bhaji. Oh, vegetables. You see, vegetables are coming from the plants. Dinesh has taken the vegetables, or from the plants he has taken, and also mutton that was from the animal. From goat, yes or no, Dinesh? Good. We all, maximum peoples, we all have been consuming both plants as well as the animals. We are depend upon the plants as well as the animals. Next, so animal nutrition includes nutrient requirement, mode of intake of food, and its utilization in the body. It's depend upon. I have already told you किस ढंग से, किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है बेटा, वो निर्भरशील होता है बेटा, किसके ऊपर, इट्स डिपेंड अपन कितना सारा कौन सा न्यूट्रिएंट का जरूरत होता है बेटा, इसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है। और दूसरा, किस ढंग से वो खाना अंदर लेता है, इसके ऊपर भी डिपेंड करता है। और इट्स यूटिलाइजेशन, वो शरीर के अंदर घुसने के बाद शरीर के अंदर क्या क्या काम करता है बेटा, द यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ फूड, किस ढंग से वो काम करता है शरीर के अंदर। दीज ऑल आर द फैक्टर्स दैट इज रिलेटेड फॉर द न्यूट्रिशन इन केस ऑफ एनिमल। ओके माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सो नेक्स्ट विल प्रोसीड as because we all are aware what is nutrition and how the processes is going in an animal, then we have already discussed about that earlier in the nutrition plans, what is nutrient, इसके बारे में भी थोड़ा जानकारी ले लेते, हाँ या ना, no issue। A chemical substance that is obtained from food and is necessary for the growth, development and maintenance of the body. We all are aware. The same thing we have already studied in our chapter 1, nutrition in plants. Yes or no? V for classes. Good. Next, my dear, animal nutrition includes nutrient requirement, mode of intake of food and its utilization in the body. We are aware about it. हमको पता है। A chemical substance that is obtained from food and is necessary for the growth, development and maintenance of the body. What my dear? Nutrient. तो nutrient क्या होता है बेटा? It is a chemical substance that is obtained from food. खाना से मिलता है। कहाँ से मिलता है nutrient? दुकान में बेटा, जब दुकान में मिलता है ना, directly or indirectly also it is available in the market. We are going to the market to purchase sugar, to purchase glucose, carbohydrate is there. So it is a chemical substance, my dear, obtained from the food and is necessary for growth, development and maintenance. Growth, development, maintenance. Apart from this, my dear student, energy and energy is essential for us. Without energy, you can't do nothing. Am I clear? Very good. Animal nutrition includes nutrient requirement, mode of intake food and its utilization. These are the processes that involved with the nutrients, those who have been intake food, and that food gives us different nutrients. As we have discussed earlier, my dear students, the nutrients are divided into two parts. What are these? One is your macronutrients and another is your micronutrients. We have already discussed when we have gone for the chapter that is nutrition in plants. Macronutrients and micronutrients. One thing here, I will ask the same question, my dear students. Why it is called as macro? Macro means big. What is the meaning of macro? Macro means big, or you can say large. My question is that these nutrients are large in size? No, never. These nutrients and required in large quantity. हमको ज़्यादा चाहिए, large quantity. Who? Macronutrients. And what are coming under macronutrients? I already told you. Protein you can say, carbohydrate you can say, fats you can say. All these are coming under your macronutrients. क्योंकि हमको ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है प्रोटीन का, ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है कार्बोहाइड्रेट का और ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है फैट का. So that's why all these three nutrients are coming under macronutrients. ये तीनों nutrients को हम मान के चलिए macronutrients. Then we'll go for the second one, that is the micro. Micro means small. Micro means small. Okay. तो we need small quantity. ज़्यादा जरूरी नहीं बेटा, जरूरी है because they are called as the nutrients. But ज़्यादा जरूरी नहीं, कम जरूरी है. So these are called as the micronutrients. And what are the nutrients are coming under micronutrients? Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals. These both are coming under micronutrients. My dear students, individually we have already discussed about the macronutrients and micronutrients.